É proibido fumar a bordo, inclusive cigarros eletrônicos. Manipular os detectores de fumaça dos lavatórios é proibido por lei. Sempre na função modo avião. Electronic devices, including cell phones, may be used throughout the flight.
Halfway down the runway now, approaching takeoff, and we're off. Probably the plane is light, yes. We look back over Miami North now as we climb out. Come out over the sea and turn banking to the right now to turn south to follow the coastline. Okay, out over the beach now at Miami, and we fly out over the sea and turn right shortly. Beautiful blue azure sea. Flying over the Bahamas, which only 5 days ago was getting hit by the hurricane. We can see roughly here are 76 islands. The sea is a beautiful turquoise and so clear with no pollution. You would not imagine that a hurricane passed here several days ago. So beautiful.